Anda nganzo dakini house the dere. Tipa ni wada there. Meklud ganj le do gana taxi dere. And hopefully we'll meet our friends there. You're the one who's in the face. You put your face in.
Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, आणि SoundCloud, podcast semua juga. Ani activity itu main kalau ada content juga, content itu jauh mesti kita aja. This holiness itu kalau ada teaching ani semua kita ani deh. Ni new itu pernah gitu situation inside Tibet je. Ani super dengan city, kan? Muslim ani speaker juga, bukan parliament speaker. 프랑스어지 가리가리 또 하나 신기 아니 왜 shum기가 사람들이 이벤트여서 때나 드림다 제복하면 뭐야 뭐든지 될수록
guys, we ordered food from Jimmy's. Inksa was literally just vlogging just now.
I don't think it works. Do you think
Oh, look at all this.
like this?
I have so much garlic bread.
Oh my god, you guys already did?
Come on, Sheldon! I'll take it! Hey guys, we're going to Bugsu right now. We're going with our Zinda. And yeah, there's a group back there. Up, and I'm literally so tired, but like we're really close to the waterfall. Hachuki, say hi. We're so tired. Changjin do this, huh? We're in Bugsu. Guys, say hi. Yuto! Yuto! Jump scare. You took some photos. That's our model. Our dear model there. Guys, we got snacks here. And I'm all wet. So Tipa 주기요. Hi. What?
He called me a monkey.
Kintra's going crazy. Yeah, she's getting possessed, guys. Guys, say hi. Hello. It's like dark and then it's super light. That just messed up my hair so much. Right now we're in Dakini. Kenji.
Delete that.
No. And we're waiting for Lopsa and Noya. And they're like late. So we already ordered food. I got french fries and she got a sandwich. But yeah, the store's actually really cute. And like there's other people that we know here too.
Or like the PC.
Tipa.
Yeah, like I freaking hate witches. This girl wakes up at 7:30. No, if this girl wakes up at 7:30. Doom scrolls to 8:30.
You post so much things on.
I want you guys to watch it.
No one watches it, that's it.
No, but some of them you guys actually have to watch. Like the ones I said recently, the last one probably, or the last one, you have to watch it.
I'm sorry, no one.
No, but it's actually really funny. Serious. Pull it up, bro.
We're
Pull
so
it
like
up.
the one person. It'll be like a year later. We're gonna see Maddie send a chat in the group chat.
No, actually, I'm still gonna do. After we go back home, I'm still sending you guys videos.
Oh my god.
Oh, saying that makes me feel like I want to cry.
I know. I'm gonna miss you guys so much.
I'm gonna miss.
I'm gonna miss everyone.
I'm gonna miss waking up at 7.
Can't. Don't you think we've tried that already?
Sorry.
Got Doyle over here doing her lips with my lip liners.
Don't record me.
Damn, your face is messed up, girl.
I know.
She did a close.
I did the
Can I
zoom.
borrow the mirror?
She did a close up on your nostrils.
What's going on, Kusam? I'm sad. Oh no, what do we do? We're watching this stripper performance. Our level performance? No, I'm not. It's dance practice. Today is performance day.
I'm gonna vlog too now.
Inkse over here vlogging too.
Okay, guys.
They have a boring dance. I'm sorry. But me and Keisha have good dance. We have two clothes change things. But we change our clothes in time for both our dances. And they stay the same. But yeah.